Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create WeChat account free. First, you need to download the WeChat app from the Google Play Store. Search WeChat on your preferred app store and download the app to your mobile phone. Note, it is not possible to sign up for WeChat via a computer. It must be done on your mobile phone. Second, open the WeChat app and select Sign Up. When you select Sign Up, you will be given two options: Sign up with mobile and Sign up with Facebook. We strongly recommend selecting Sign Up with mobile, as signing up with Facebook or Apple is far more complicated, and you will still need to provide your mobile phone number even if you select these options. Then insert your details. Insert your full name, region, mobile phone number, and password. These fields must be completed before you can proceed. Note, only one account can be registered to a mobile phone number. There is also an option to add a profile picture at this point, but this is not necessary to complete the process. Then check the box next to I have read and accept the terms of service. Then click accept and continue. Now, agree to WeChat's privacy policy. The next screen is WeChat's privacy protection summary. You are not required to read this in its entirety before accepting, but we would recommend at least giving it a quick scan. Check the box next to I have read and agree to the above terms, then click next. Now, complete the first part of the security verification process. At this stage, an SMS will automatically be sent to your phone containing a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code and then select Submit. The next step requires you to verify your email address. For some applicants, you will need to ask a WeChat user to scan the QR code on your phone. This is the hardest step of the sign-up process. Assuming you have managed to find such as a user, ask them to scan the QR code provided using WeChat. And the last, enable Wixin services. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.